Okay, so here's one that came in the other day that we're going to have to take a look at, and I think this one's going to take the whole 9 yards. As I feel it, it's been sharpened a few times, so it's getting thick toward the edge. The edge itself is, who cares? But even worse, it's got a belly in it, caused by improper sharpening. And then it's got a little bird's mouth right here in front of the bolster. Now that does two things. It basically causes what's called a clicking bolster, which means that as the knife comes down, you hear how it clicks, the bolster hits. You're not using the entire length of the blade. In fact, this little curve right here isn't cutting anything at all. So we're going to have to shorten the bolster, we're going to have to thin it, and then we're going to have to put the edge on it. So now you can see it's got a nice clean line from the tip all the way through. The bolster is shortened up. Now we can set it in, we can put it in the system and put the expert edge on it, and this knife will be better than new.